we've got kind of warm weather, about 6-7 degrees outside now. It's dry, so I think we're going to start doing a little bit of sanding. I'm particularly worried about this, you know, this mast. I need to get it done. The mast is dry. It took a few weeks, but all the water that was kind of underneath the varnish and that has now dried up. So I think we should just get on and do it. Right, without any further ado, I'm going to get this mast outside and into my back garden, and then we'll get all the bits off it, and then we will give it a sand. First thing we've got to do is just get this little top piece off. So let's do that. I think just the 2 or 3 screws hold this on. Not very well in the case of this one. Hopefully that will just lift off there. Okay. I'm going to remove this block. There. It's not quite centre, is it? So I wonder if that's why one of my shrouds is a little bit loose, you know, so yep, that's coming off. There we go. I don't think it was epoxied, so we'll put these away now, nice and safe. This is the sort of where the mast touches the thwart, so we need to just get this off as well. Yeah, someone has tried to sort of fill the sort of little dent that's appeared here. But they've done it with a bit of masking tape, or whatever this tape is, tank tape. So we'll get that piece off. I've just got to get this little under piece off as well. So there's actually a bit of water got under there, so it's a little bit soft there, so it does need attending. And you can see whoever's done this didn't varnish under here. They just put the tape on and varnished up to it by the looks of it. So I'm glad we've done that. That'll be the next thing to do. Let's get sanding. Right, that's half of it. Oh, nearly half done. Look at that, it's come up beautifully. We're going to go over it again just to sand it down a little bit nicer. But we're just going to use this first, so just get the varnish off, because the varnish can sort of use a lot of the pads. But we're looking good, we're making progress. That is one mast sanding right back to new. Even done the crown of it here. Looks really good. Next, the bumpkin. One bumpkin done. So I'm just looking at the top. This comes off the top of the mast, and it has the 2 shrouds. And I'm just having a quick look at it. It's zinc, isn't it? So zinc, you know, zinc coated like the rudder and the centerboard. So I don't think you're really going to get that any cleaner. I don't think. But one thing I've noticed is this shroud's okay, but this shroud we have got a piece of wire that's like yeah, come apart there, which is not good. So it might be worth having a chat to someone to try and get a new one of these. Now I don't know how you fit these. You must have some kind of special machine that does that. So I've either got to take this with me or get it delivered all together, I guess. But I think when there's a wire split off the shroud like that, it's probably wise to go get new ones. I've got quite a lot of stuff that I need to buy, really. I've got money in the budget from when I bought the boat, yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff that I'd like to sort of buy for the boat. So maybe we need to have a chat.